Welcome to my channel Deepti's Classroom.
Which two spices are the most popular in the world? The two selling spices worldwide are pepper and mustard. What is the only food that can never go bad? Answer: honey is the only food that will last forever and never spoil. What type of food holds the world record for being the most stolen around the globe? Answer: cheese. It's estimated that as 4% of the cheese produced around the world is stolen. Which is the only fruit with seeds on the outside? Answer: strawberries. Each average-sized strawberry has about 200 seeds on the outside. Which variety of chili pepper is considered the hottest in the world? Answer: the Carolina Reaper is the current Guinness World Record holder. What is the common name of the Chinese gooseberry fruit? Answer: kiwi fruit. Where were French fries first invented? Answer: Belgium is actually credited with the invention of French fries.
Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Answer: skin. What is the weight of a human eye? Answer: 8 gram. Which is called the city of rose? Answer: Chandigarh. Who invented computer? Answer: Charles Babbage. Brain of computer. Answer: CPU. Central Processing Unit. Gidda is the folk dance of. Answer: Punjab. How many Cricket World Cups does India have? Answer: India has 2 World Cup. Which is the longest river on the earth? Answer: Nile. Name 3 root vegetables. 3 roots vegetables are beets, carrot, and radish. Smallest state of India is. Answer: Goa. Which is the animal referred as the ship of the desert? Answer: camel. Which plant grows in desert? Answer: cactus. National tree of India is. Answer: banyan tree. Who opened the first school for girls in India? Answer: Savitribai Phule. Who was the first Indian woman to become a pilot? Answer: Captain Prem Mathur. Which language was thought to be spoken by Buddha? Answer: Pali.